You'll want this incredible garlic vinaigrette and weeknight salad to be a part of your weekly dinner rotation for sure. Here's how to make it. First things first, let's peel and finely mince one spice-rolled shallot, setting it off to the side. Next, pop open a small jar with a lid and pour in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, your minced shallots, and a spoonful of spice-rolled ready-to-use minced garlic, or a few cloves of our fresh and peeled garlic. Give it a good shake and allow those flavors to get to know each other for 15 minutes. Then, add in fresh lemon juice, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, dried oregano, salt, pepper, and honey. Whisk all that goodness together and set it aside while you prep the salad. Put your favorite lettuce in a large bowl along with the salad toppings. Then pour that delectable dressing over top and give it a good toss. Now just dig into this delicious weeknight salad with garlic lemon vinaigrette from Spice World.